What's good, y'all? It's Fresco BK, and if you're in Manhattan, New York City, pull up to 47 Howard Street. If you're in Chicago's Gold Coast area, pull up to 60 East Walton Street and tell them that Fresco sent you. But today I'm unboxing one of the hypest shoes of 2021. That is the Fragment x Nike Beijing Dunk High. So say less or all this talking, yo, let's get straight to these shoes. So before we go forward, let's take a few steps back. Fragment Design and Nike have been collaborating on various shoes for several years. So back in 2010, they collaborated on the Nike Dunk High City Pack, which represented 3 cities, Beijing, New York, and London. And each of those shoes had the same color palette on each shoe, but just different color placement. But Hiroshi Fujiwara is the founder of the Fragment Design Company, and he is also an original hip hop DJ based out of Tokyo, Japan. He is the mentor of not only Nigo from the fame or Bape and or Human Made, but he's also the mentor of Jun Takahashi, who is the founder of Undercover. Hiroshi's flipped some of our favorite Nike silhouettes of all time. The Bo Jackson Trainer 1, the Air Jordan 3, even the Air Jordan 1. And he is a part of the Fame Design Collective, which includes 3 of Nike's all-time great designers, including him, Hiroshi Fujiwara, Tinker Hatfield, and Mark Parker. So the acronym of those names created together is HTM. So here we have the box top, and please jump in the comments and let me know what you guys think. Let's get to these shoes, and here we have the Fragment x Nike 2021 Beijing Dunk High. The Beijing Dunk High returns in 2021 with the same black and purple color palette that is shared with the 2010. The only difference is the fact that the 2010 features the mismatch on each shoe, while the color blocking is the same on each shoe of the 2021. So here we have the upper, that full black and purple color blocking that you can see, perforation in the toe box with the black leather overlay. We've got the black laces there, and also the full black tongue with the Nike at the top of the tongue. And as we get to that outer panel, you'll see the black swoosh, and the midsole area features a white midsole, but the midsole also features the name of the shoe, the season of release, and the SKU. So the name of the shoe, which is Nike Fragment Design, the season of release, and the SKU for the shoe. So also on this outer panel is one of the most classic pieces on any Fragment design, which is the Fragment logo right there under that swoosh. If you guys have been following Fragment, you already know that the Air Jordan 1 with that blue in the back panel features the Fragment design, and also the Air Jordan 3. It's rumored that the Beijing Dunk High is a part of the 2021 City Pack that is set to release, featuring not only Beijing, but also London and New York, much like the 2010. However, I have right here in front of me 3 of our favorites. Of course, the new Fragment Design Dunk High, the classic Air Jordan 1 that I mentioned a little bit ago, along with the Air Jordan 3. So if you guys see the consistency between all the Fragment designs that I've just showed you, you'll see that logo is just synonymous and classic, and it's even featured on the back of the Air Jordan 3. But we have all 3 of these available at Stadium Goods, located on 47 Howard Street, Manhattan, Soho area, or 60 East Walton Street in Chicago's Gold Coast area. And make sure you tell them that Fresco sent you. But if you cannot make it to any of our locations, make sure you guys visit stadiumgoods.com, follow at Stadium Goods on all social media platforms, or download the Stadium Goods app, available on iOS and on Android, because we update the app daily with kicks, fits, and apparel, all from Stadium Goods. This is the Fragment Dunk High. I am Fresco BK. Salud.